So guys, first method, so check group policy. Okay, so windows R and type gpedit.msc, then okay. Computer configurations administrator template, then system, and then logs, log on. So look the setting called not display the password hint. Do not display password hint. Do not, do not, do not. So like that, do not find password is not get. So just your system it's showing, just double click and to click to enable, and double click to not configure and again disable. Then in the registry, again windows R, type re registry, then okay, then yes. So first local machine, software. Okay, local machine, software, Microsoft, Microsoft, then Windows. Windows, Microsoft Windows, then current version, then policy, after that system. So you have to find no dips password hint. This one. Double click, select 0, and then okay, and close it. Okay, and next method. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. then second, then third, then last.